have recommended the ministry officially for the overall handing over of these premises to us. One, because the main bureau who were here, a state institution like us. And since government have decided that they have to now manage their ministry, that means they cannot run two institutions at the same time. They cannot occupy two institutions at the same time. So initially, when they even wanted us out, Cora insisted that we stay. So we are now working towards first of the ministry. But that happens, with this assistance, we will be able to, more immigration unit could come here, because this place is very good. So somebody who needs to be commended is the proprietor of Star GSM. If you are here in Star GSM, Islamin Kaba. Yeah. Yes, so I decided to invite him, since you are coming, so that we also Nimmoy Doku Kendoke Kava Nimbara. So I should come here so that I introduce you to him and all the immigration leadership. So that at least we know that he's also behind some of this development that we are doing here. Yeah, thank you very much. This is, yeah.
I want to begin innovation, the creativity that we have seen to welcome somebody. I consider myself very lucky with the team I'm working with. And then this gentleman is legal-minded. He's here heading the Commission for Refugees. He's been in international missions, in Liberia where there was war, and he served as a peacekeeper, so he definitely would understand exigencies and issues surrounding refugee matters. And here he is serving, but we are also very happy that each of the staff and where they are posted or where they are manning, we are only yielding, and they are doing a lot of innovation, a lot of creativity in those areas. I am not surprised if you have to also support in this way, because he's very friendly, outgoing, but not only that, but we understand that with immigration now, community engagement is key. Community engagement in its context, meaning we need to relate to the public, we need to relate to our friends, we need to relate to our partners, corporations, nationally, internationally, and with other social clubs within. So individuals have also come to our rescue, and you're one of them. So to thank you very much that you can have this sustained relationship to see how best we can always help ourselves develop this country. One thing I believe in is just the kind of robust approach that or kind of sensitivity I've seen in the very dynamic young that are within the institutions, and they are the driving force. So that has been very credible on their side. And I want to thank my team. I cannot just thank and keep it there, but I'm here with ADG Defe, who has been very instrumental. Operations, he's the planner, the protocol office, the RSMs, the community engagement officer, and we want him to be on the spotlight of everybody, media team, everyone should understand. This is the man that we think and we have put as a face of GID with the community. We have the HR officer, and he has done a lot of tremendous things along in the tour. The audit officer is also there, Ekom Jame, with all protocols observed, particularly our single lady who was with us. They have all been very good. So, Toma, thank you very much. What we have seen is African, is culture, and I love it so much. Thanks for everything you have just put in. It's quite very laudable. This is love we have seen. Immigration, what we have today, I think we should thank all our predecessors for that prayer that they left with us. We are not fighting. We are a very good team. Thank you. Anun doko hadama dongo ake banko ake fonle de kata tubabule kata mol sambana pour kata mol makwe ni na spanish le nata nun jang pour kana ala passport fenke commissioner nata stepta alhamdulillah commissioner nata itandina laftale pour ni la spanish le kafunyoma pour ka jam fana makwe so makwe ro kono alhamdulillah nga semfa jamal le tatu so kabere refugee kumo fota dron mo jama stata ka diamu ka itande ko mbe politiko le tamande kanjang e mo met register murtani wolle lafta pour kana stay jang
so kai tandi mon la ko woman tre caring o te caring so ko le malon ko banku do ko lem so banku do ko momo bale kana sila so wala be mutarinto bul immigration ba kata kam ba kanyim banko kan immigration kono fanuta bakelem même malo e malon tron immigration kono fanuta bakelem e be do ko kende bal ban nyama immigration ka mira comme like ID card e be marde woda mal wala passeport non immigration be marin ku jamal e bi janne be bantala banko kan so ntol alhamdulillah nka katale pour ka finti kan na mol sambanan ka NGO sambanan pour ka na do ko ke nyim banko kan so anu nala sonta moten discorrect la pour ka national development noma moten mantan discorrect nala sonta nyindo ko mba continue la fo faw anu be semfal fanan talal fo ministre at kata immigration tay kenyi office te mbe wol ko tamandika minister of interior mbe faire kala fana ka face ka tandala laftale pour asi faire ke pour immigration signing office handle because bibi la immigration kono fanuta bakelen et là office tata fa deteta so detero kam man laftale pour mol salon ko e kana immigration na ñun toke politikoti because mol starta pour ka toke politikoti social media we don't want that nin doko be keri mole concentrate doko kan kana si ka itandi ko politiko le munyinti ñin to man ke toti me alon ko politiko le bije pour ka mol be kafu ñina mu signa flotte pour ka almost 500 people ta ke transfer to la total anina man suta immigration a flota ñin director le so o kamala momen be do ko la ten ka itande mo la ko ebe dame ni wota je esitano dame ebe jem fanan nolal a flota tel dol bi ji place ke lon to 25 years e man move no kabra nata droit ko hani mo detar la dulato fo e fa hani ay mufundi e tata place dot so wala mu ñaaton ko yaati wala mu alpha yaati wala kayitande mo la ko nin carte balorin sinin sama abe place to nate balorin jumane ba alhamdulillah no nobody so wo kamala wala sabumbe diji la nyi to mba approcher la anu mba tentula mba jela kayitande mo le malon ko ay falendere bala kenyim immigration nyin to fana mo jamale promotion to togon dolbi jem fa me nyin la promotion na bara anim promotion ne tata nyon so pour ka itande mel fana be do ko la ke incorrect dol darda santoto e be postre je over 15 years bi wolna te fonje airport dole fonje KMC dole fonje Banjul e contenta e ko ha nte metan na palasol to le mo man hati so alpha men ka okay ntoli nyanta ka tentule nga jeyi nkana toku yan kana itande ko e be sem famen na political hani any national development saka for nin tanko te keri there are no development bankoto so tanko nka wala folo care mol kante kolle ka fo ha e yanta ka jamfa police la lay jamfa immigration na ka tun kodo bi jenne nko hani man sata be kenol bare tulo tano ni ko man sata be kenol don mo be ka nyapika wo mu kulti malon ko nyanta ka bondin na kul kono nga nyin director tentu nga je nga itandala be menke kan dunia be alon ne ko tonya tonya nyi mandiya ka finti la bon kono birin somanda fo suto e be finte kam pour ka mol ke kilont ke la stafful be ke kilont fomma jila ba nga wala fanon suta bala so nyin kamala kalbe tentu kal je ka immigration department tentu ke je e a katale anu sondomo ke fonyondi kata gemberon wala koto ala kata han kabi mbal tentu lambe je la degi